I have spent over $2,300 on mods for this GR86. Some of them I love, some of them I regret, and one of them I genuinely messed up my car doing. So today I'm ranking every single mod from worst to best, no sugarcoating, just the honest truth. Coming in last place, my social media decals. And look, I know this isn't a mod, but I just wanted to add it on here because it's something I've done and paid on the car. And the idea was good in theory, but I put every single social media platform on there, and honestly, it just looks tacky and too much. If I could go back, I would have just done the Instagram handle only, and I probably would have just done the Instagram handle on both sides too, because on both sides it has everything on it, and it just looks tacky and it looks less clean also. Less is more, and I learned that the hard way. $100 lesson. Number 7 on the list was the LED interior upgrades. Now, this was free, so I can't even complain about it. But even if it cost money, I had still put it near the bottom. The stock halogens were fine for this car. Nobody is getting in my car looking at the interior lights. Pointless upgrade, and that added nothing meaningful to me. Number 6, the clear side markers. And look, I want to be clear, I actually like these. The sequential startup is so good, and no more orange stock look, clean and subtle. The only reason it's this low is because I genuinely love every other thing above it, and no complaints here, but it's just a better mods ahead. Sorry for interrupting this video, but this video is brought to you by Perrin Performance. You guys saw my engine bay before, stock, boring, nothing is going on. So I picked up their engine bay dress-up kit, which is specifically made for the GR86. And honestly, this is probably going to be one of the easiest install I've ever done. Bolt on, no modifications, just makes everything look way cleaner under the hood. Perrin has been making performance and styling parts for over 25 years. So the quality is there. Now, if you want your own dress-up kit or any performance parts at all, use my code PERRINFTW10 at checkout, link in the description, and let's get back into the video. Number 5 on the list is no other than the Perrin strut bar, and this one surprised me, honestly. I installed it expecting a noticeable handling difference, and the GR86 is already so stiff enough on the front end from factory that I barely felt any change. What it did do is it made my engine bay look incredible. So it went from being a performance mod in my head to being an engine bay beauty mod in reality. Still love it though, just not for the reasons I bought it. Number 4 on the list is the Perrin engine bay dress-up kit. About $1,000 of neon green covering my engine bay. And look, I love it. Every time I pop the hood open, people stop and look at it, but I'd be lying if I said I didn't feel like I went slightly overboard with the color. It's a lot. If I did it again, I might go with a different subtle color. Performance-wise, it does absolutely nothing. It's purely aesthetics. So $996 for looks only. That's why it sits at number 4. Number 3 is the third brake light, and look, this might be my best chip mod on this whole car. Sequential startup, F1 style brake light that lights up progressively when you brake hard. Features the stock never had. For $146, this thing punches way above its price. If you're looking for a cheap mod that actually changes how the car looks and functions, start at this right here. Number 2 are the door light projectors. Now you can't see this right now because it's daytime, but I'll put up what it looks like at night. And this one comes with a story. I love these, and when you open the door at night, the GR86 logo just projects onto the ground. That never gets old. But during the install, I messed up the driver's door. The harness inside the door, I cut it open, and right now I only have it working on the passenger side of the car. Toyota has been sitting on fixing that for a while now, so I'm still waiting for them to fix this side. Even with that situation, this mod is so clean that it still lands that at number 2, honestly. And landing in at number 1, not even close, it's no other than the K&N cold air intake. This mod changed how the car feels. It woke the car up. The sound, the power feel, the way it changed how I interact with this car. every single time I drive it. Yes, it has that mass airflow sensor thing to watch out for. Yes, the gas mileage took a big hit, but nothing else on this list changed how this car feels and the way it did for me. Best. $723 I have spent on this build so far. Worth it. So that's every mod ranked honestly. $2,300 spent. Some wins, some lessons, one harness I'm still waiting on Toyota to fix. Total spends so far $2,346.26, and we are just getting started. So drop a comment, which mod would you have ranked differently, and subscribe, because next week I'm getting real about something people don't really talk about, the honest reality of running a car YouTube channel. That one is gonna hit differently. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.